Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not showing sensitive content on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have issue the sensitive content, disable sensitive content not showing on your iPhone. So guys, you can easily fix this problem and you will be easily get this option. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your app store firstly in your iPhone. And after opening it, here you need to search Telegram. And now you have to open Telegram Messenger. And guys, the first method is you need to update your app. Because of update, many of features are missing. So guys, when you have update your Telegram Messenger, you will see all the missing feature on your iPhone. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser. For example, I am going to open this one, and here you need to search web.telegram.org. And guys, after searching here, you have to log in your Telegram. Here, if you have not logged in your Telegram in this web browser, you need to log in first. And after login this, you have to click on three lines and click on settings, and you need to click on privacy and security. And guys, you will see the disable sensitive content in this tab. So guys, here you can see still not showing the option. So guys, you will see here the option. If still not see here the option, no need to worry. You have to go back, open your Telegram app again, and now you need to click on settings. Scroll it down. Here is the option of ask a question. You have to click on this tab, click on OK, and now you have to select this reason. So guys, if you have not any question here, you have to click on I have different question, and now I want to explore more. And guys, now here you need to write your problem that you are facing or any other option. So guys, after writing your problem, you have to submit your appeal, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.